Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to generate images with Grok AI. Simply, when you access Grok AI, type a detailed description of what you'd like Grok AI to create. Here are some examples. You can draw a cartoon dog wearing sunglasses or create a futuristic cityscape at sunset. Let's do this one and create a Donald Trump hugging a duck image. For more specific description, you need to be very specific with the description for better results. Once you submit the request, Grok AI will process your prompt and generate an image based on your description. Results may vary, so feel free to tweak your prompt for better outcomes. You can also use Grok AI to generate various styles of image such as cartoons and illustrations, landscapes and scenery, futuristic and sci-fi art, or fantasy and mythological creatures. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.